Ever looked at your bank account and wondered where all your money went? You're not alone. Budgeting can feel like trying to solve a complex math equation without a calculator. But what if there was a simpler way to manage your finances? Enter Goodbudget. Goodbudget is a budgeting app that takes a unique approach to managing your money. Instead of tracking expenses, it focuses on allocating your income into different categories or envelopes. Think of it like dividing your paycheck into physical envelopes for different spending areas. But, digital and without the paper cuts. Now, you might be wondering, why envelopes? Well, the concept is pretty straightforward. It's based on the idea of cash budgeting, where you physically allocate a specific amount of cash for each spending category. Goodbudget simply digitizes this process. Let's break it down. First, you set up your envelopes. This could be for groceries, rent, entertainment, savings, and anything else you spend money on. You assign a specific amount to each envelope based on your income and spending habits. It's like creating a spending plan. Once your envelopes are set up, you start adding money to them. You can transfer money between envelopes as needed. For instance, if you end up with extra cash in your grocery envelope, you can transfer it to your savings envelope. It's a flexible system that adapts to your financial situation. One of the coolest things about Goodbudget is its ability to sync across multiple devices. So, whether you're at home, work, or on the go, you can always keep track of your budget. No more scrambling to find that piece of paper with your spending plan. Now, let's talk about tracking expenses. Goodbudget doesn't automatically categorize your transactions like some other budgeting apps. Instead, you manually assign each transaction to a specific envelope. This might sound like extra work, but it actually helps you stay mindful of your spending. You're forced to think about where your money is going, which can lead to better financial decisions. Goodbudget also offers a feature called Saved Envelopes. These are envelopes where you can stash money for future expenses like holiday gifts or vacations. It's a great way to save up for something specific without touching your regular budget. While Goodbudget doesn't have all the bells and whistles of some other budgeting apps, it excels at simplicity and effectiveness. It's a tool that empowers you to take control of your finances without overwhelming you with complex features. So, is Goodbudget right for you? If you prefer a hands-on approach to budgeting and like the idea of dividing your money into different categories, then it might be worth a try. It's a great option for people who want to simplify their financial lives and build better spending habits. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding a system that works for you and sticking with it. Goodbudget is just one tool in your financial toolkit. Experiment with different methods and find what helps you reach your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.